A few weeks ago, I ran a poll on the channel asking you what has been your biggest hurdle in starting an online business. Most of you responded that you do not have a business idea. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you 8 business ideas you can start without money or low investment. If this is a topic you're interested in, like this video and stay with me. Hey friend, welcome or welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mfon, and on this channel I share content on career, personal development and faith. If these are things you're interested in, kindly click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much. Let's do this. The first business idea I have to share with you is social media management. Did you know that there are numerous small businesses out there that are struggling to maintain their social media presence? I know I'm one of them because the last time I posted or the last time I scheduled my post for Zitari was, I think, July. To do that, I had to sit down, plan, design, create, and schedule each post to go live 3 times a week all through the month of July. Why am I telling you this? If you pick up this business idea as a social media manager, you can help businesses create engaging content, schedule posts, and manage their online presence. This business has a low barrier to entry. Unlike other businesses, you don't need a substantial upfront investment in equipment or inventory. All you need is a smartphone or computer, access to the internet, and some creativity. One of the fun parts of becoming a social media manager is that you have the freedom to work from anywhere at any time, making this a fantastic side hustle or full-time venture depending on your goals. And as you work with more clients, you can showcase your successes and expand your portfolio. Now, to enhance your skill as a social media manager, I would recommend you take this course on Skillshare. I'll leave the link in the description. Now, let's move on to the next business idea that I have to share with you, which is YouTube. YouTube has become a powerful platform for creators and entrepreneurs. If you have a passion for a particular niche, why not start your own YouTube channel? And by the way, you don't have to choose a niche right away. Just do you. Just do what you want to do. You can narrow down later. So to start a YouTube channel, all you need is your phone camera, some editing skills, and engaging content to attract subscribers. I have a video on how to start a YouTube channel from start to finish. I have a video on how you can film using your mobile phone. I have a video on how to boost your camera confidence. I have a video on the best editing tools you can use, mobile editing tools you can use if you're starting out with your phone. So I will leave the link to the playlist in the description. Alright, so just like social media management, YouTube has a low barrier to entry as well. Global reach. And another benefit of starting a YouTube channel is the monetization. As your channel grows and accumulates subscribers and views, you can start earning revenue through ads and sponsorships. It's like getting paid to do what you love. Aside these benefits, YouTube allows you to build your personal brand around your passion. Third business idea I have to share with you is freelance writing. Many companies and individuals are in need of high-quality content for their websites, blogs, and social media channels. If you are a wordsmith with a passion for writing, with just your phone and your writing app, you can showcase your skills and offer your services to potential clients. Have you ever heard of ghostwriting? Maybe I should make a video on that. If you're yet to subscribe to the channel and you're interested in knowing what ghostwriting is, I hope you click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you stay updated for when I post that video. Now let's move on to business idea number 4, virtual assistant services. Becoming a virtual assistant is such a promising venture as more professionals and entrepreneurs seek support for their busy lives. You won't need any fancy equipment or office space to get started. Your smartphone or computer are your primary tools. You can work with clients from around the world. The possibilities are limitless. The cool part, as a virtual assistant, you have the freedom to work from anywhere, set your own hours, and say goodbye to daily commutes. Remote is the new norm. As a VA, you can offer a wide range of services from managing emails and appointments to handling social media accounts and data entry. If you're thrilled by this business idea, I have a video for you. This is it. I will leave the link in the description. Business idea number 5, becoming a YouTube thumbnail designer. You don't need to be a professional graphics designer to do this. This statement I just made remind me of this video. You don't need to be a professional graphics designer to create your LinkedIn cover banner. Just use Canva. Canva is user friendly, it's beginner friendly, it's easy to use, even with no prior knowledge of graphics designing. Oh, even with no prior knowledge of graphics design, you can still work your way around it. Be serious. With Canva, you are good to go. I know a graphics designer that don't know how to use Canva. So you don't have to be a professional graphics designer to take on this business idea. You can do it as a side hustle. Yes. So with Canva, you can create eye-catching thumbnails for your clients and get some cash in return. To do this, you have to understand the importance of thumbnail and reach out to YouTubers with examples of your work. Since I started YouTube, I've had people reach out to me to offer this service. You can do this too. Aside reaching out to creators directly, you can create a profile on Fiverr and Upwork and sell your services. You don't need any money to start this. For Canva, with the free features, you can do a lot. You don't need any money to create a Fiverr account. You don't need any money to create an Upwork account. You don't need any money to create an Instagram account. So you can do this. Moving on to business idea number 6, event planning. You have a knack for organization. You are a creative problem solver. Consider this business. You can plan weddings to corporate events. People are always in need of professional event planners who can bring their vision to life. You can start from your home with your phone. As I said, people and businesses are always in need of event planners who can make their events memorable. People are always getting married. No Saturday where people know they marry. And people will always get married. People will always want to celebrate their birthdays. The event industry is thriving. You can specialize in weddings, birthday parties, or corporate events. While this can allow you to cater for various clients, niching down is always important. But starting out, you can just explore all of these niches to know where your strength lies. And you know what? As you deliver exceptional events and earn positive reviews, word of mouth will become a powerful force in growing your business organically. Moving on to business idea number 7, becoming a TikTok video editor. If you're a TikTok aficionado, capitalize your expertise by specializing in editing TikTok videos for creators. Creators are constantly looking for ways to stand out on that app. It's a hustle, but this can be an opportunity for you. The best part is you don't need any fancy equipment to do this. With your smartphone, CapCut, and mad editing skills, you're good to go. Editing for TikTok is unique, and your specialized skill set can set you apart from general video editors. And creators are willing to pay for expertise that will elevate their content and engagement. Moving on to business idea number 8, online course creator. This is a business idea I have been looking to explore for months now. It takes a lot of work, but it's very rewarding. You just need to do the work once, and that's it. You can create and sell your online course on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable. Becoming an online course creator is such an enticing opportunity as online education is booming and people are eager to learn new skills and gain knowledge. Once you create a course, you can sell it to an unlimited number of students. As I said, it takes a lot of work, but it's rewarding. So if you want to start a YouTube channel, this video is for you. If you want to venture into VA services, this video is for you. And so there you have it, friend. If you find value in this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and families. And if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, I hope you make the decision to do so. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you get to implement any of these 8 business ideas. And if you have any questions at all, leave them in the comment section below and I will definitely get back to you. Thank you so much for your time. Once again, I'll see you on Wednesday. Bye.